This is a short video tutorial explaining how to access a virtual classroom created by one of my teachers. Firstly, go to RM Unify and click on the tile for the virtual classroom. From here, I am presented with multiple tabs for the different schools. Go to your school and on the left hand side you will see a list of names of all of your teachers and adjacent to their name a Google Meet address. Simply click onto this address to open that virtual classroom. You may want to switch off your microphone so the classroom doesn't become too noisy, but you can always switch this on again later. And then click onto Join Meeting. Here you will now see what is being presented to you by your teacher. If you'd like to ask a question, you can simply go down here, click here to switch your microphone back on again, and then you can ask your teacher a question. When you've finished, simply hang up and that virtual classroom will end. Then from RM Unify, go back to the virtual classroom, find the teacher that you have a lesson with next, and again click on that link to join the next classroom.